My Sephora Play box finally got here. It's super late, but at least I got my box, and I wanted to share with you guys what I got. So the first thing I pull out is the little rewards card along with some information about the products inside. The theme for this box is Next Gen Beauty. So Sephora is now going green. They are packaging everything in recyclable bags. So first up from Sunday Riley, this is the Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. And this helps brighten and it hydrates. It also plumps the skin without feeling heavy. So next up from the Sephora collection, this is Lashcraft Big Volume Mascara in the shade Black. And it has jojoba oil, which prevents it from clumping and flaking off. So next up from Peter Thomas Roth, this is the Hungarian Thermal Water Mineral Rich Atomic Heat Mask. So this mask helps with fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven skin tone. You just leave it on for 3 minutes and rinse it off with warm water. So next up from Too Faced, we have a primer. This is the Hangover Primer. And I'm excited to see if the reviews that are good about it are actually true. Next up, we have the Nude Sticks Intense Matte Lip and Cheek Pencil. This is a beautiful color in the shade Kiss. So here's a swatch of it. It's a really pretty rosy color. So this is this month's bonus, and it's a perfume from Viktor and Ralph Flower Bomb Nectar, and it smells so nice. So that's about it. Let me know if you guys got some of the same stuff I got. I know the boxes are different. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.